Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If y'all like good food, it's the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl KC. What's up my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have some lobster tails, some cucumbers, some lemon, some cran apple. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. Oh, and I have the salt and vinegar, and I have some scampi butter, because y'all remember I said I wanted some. So we're going to jump right in, because it's L-A-T-E. It's late. Oh. So, hey, y'all, hey. Oh, I hope these cook right. One of them looked a little scary when I was cooking him. When I cut him open, rather. And his whole shell was tore up. Oh, that butter good, girl. Kiana made it for me, of course. So this is gonna be a little quick video, y'all. Hope y'all doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. Safe. That's delicious. Lemony. Flavorful. Accompanies the lobster very well. Oh, that's good. Don't worry about this setup, y'all. I think it was, that one. I'm gonna check him out, because I don't know, he might be something wrong with him. Let me eat this other lobster and then we can get to chit-chatting. Well, you better go back.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
I don't know about you two. The last time I checked, I was grown.
Last time I checked, you had to check in with both of us before you left.
Yeah.
I'm on my way public.
Oh.
Okay. Bye.
Don't need anything?
No, we good. Thank you. We spoiled. We're not spoiled, y'all. We just be blessed. Grateful. Oh, that's good. So thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. Was that too bright? Let me see. I don't know if it'd be bright or dark. I really appreciate it. Put a little salt and vinegar on these. I know y'all gonna say don't put all that on there. What was yesterday? Saturday? Oh, the scallop. Y'all. That's a different brand. Or they something. They done made that thing a little hotter. I don't know what was going on with that. I'm so glad that wasn't like, and I forgot to put 10 in the title yesterday. 10 2-time spicy scallops. I forgot to put that in the title. And I'm like, I don't want to go back and put it in now because that may mess up the I don't know, the algorithm or something. Well, that was a fun challenge. But I'm looking at these 2 bottles sitting up here and I'm like, baby, the way that thing had burnt my mouth up, I'm like, shoot. That made me think twice. I was like, shoot, shoot, shoot. So anyway, I'm trying to hurry up and get this video done and put up. What else I had told you? Oh, this is what I wanted to ask y'all. Kit told me to ask y'all, do y'all believe in numerology? Meditation? What was the third thing? He said numerology, meditation, and numerology, meditation is something. Oh, astrology. And I think pretty much everybody be talking about astrology, but I never really heard any of you all talk about numerology and meditation. So let me know down below if you do. I guess he's gonna read the comments. I don't know why he asked. I asked him why. He was just like, just ask them. I said, okay, ask him. Do you think like numbers correlate with certain things? Cause you know how people be like 1111 means something, 444 means something, you know. So let us know. But let him know, because I don't know if he reading a book or something. I don't know, child. Don't get me to lie. Uh-oh. Now this the one was a little iffy, because the shell was all broke. Let me taste it and see. These are so delicious with that butter.
How can you say like this one looked a bit sketch?
He looked because his shell was cracked. I think it's because they, you know, he was in the freezer and he must have got crushed when the lady. No, it's straight. It's straight. It's not mushy. Oh, wait a minute. This part right here mushy. The top of it. Dang. Hold up, man. Okay, we're gonna leave him. The bottom part was pretty good. But anyway, yeah. Oh! It's April's birthday! Y'all know my best friend April. A lot of y'all do. A lot of y'all who's been riding with me. So happy birthday, April. We love you. Y'all tell April happy birthday. Most of y'all know April. I did a playlist of all the videos we did together. And I think it says, does it say video with my best friend or it says something about videos with April, I think. Hold on, y'all, this lipstick wearing me. I be trying to play with different colors together. But yeah, so today is her birthday. Happy birthday, girl. I should do a little trivia, because a lot of y'all been riding a long time since our first video together. So, alright, here's the first question. We're gonna do like 5 questions, just 5 questions. And of course, y'all know I'll screenshot the name and give a shout out to those who answer all 5 correctly. First question. Where did me and April meet? I'll give you a hint. I was 17 when I met her. So let's see how well y'all know me and my friend. You know where we met? Don't say the answer. I'm just saying, I ain't know. Maybe you ain't know.
Why would you ask me?
Okay. Alright, that's the first question, y'all. Let me see what the second question. The second question is, what was the first video we did together? Not when, just what, like what were we eating? That's the second question. Third question. True or false? Is April, this is real easy, an author? Like, has she written a book before? True or false? Fourth question. Ooh, what should I ask for the fourth question? April and I did a vlog together. Where were we going in that vlog? And all of these will tell you in the playlist. There is a playlist with her, just videos with her in it. So where were we going in that vlog? And this will be the last and probably the hardest question. How long have we been friends? How long have we been friends? Now, if somebody get all of those questions correct, well, y'all know what the deal is. So I'm gonna tell her to read the comments too, since y'all telling her happy birthday. And her name is April with an E at the end, so A-P-R-I-L-E. Somebody in here, it's your birthday. Somebody in here, it's your birthday. She like birthdays, y'all. So y'all tell my girl happy birthday. That's my friend to the end. Hey, that's them lobsters fast. Y'all know she my friend because I'm a needy friend. Y'all needy friend too? You know how some friends can go like a year or two without even speaking to each other and still be best friends? I'm not that type of friend. I have to talk to you almost every week or either every day. So yeah, we talk every single week. And we text probably every day, if not every other day. So I'm a needy friend. Well, y'all know my love language is is affirmation. So I'm more of an in touch friend. Like, I want to know what's going on with you, how you feeling mentally, how you know what I mean, what's the goals. We always set goals together. Y'all know we get to open our letters in November. I'm nervous as I don't know what. You know, we wrote a letter to ourselves 5 years ago, November 2015. So much has happened since then. All of my kids done graduated. We done had a pandemic. My son done left and went to Japan. It's just a lot that went on since that letter. I cannot remember everything that's in it, but yeah. We're gonna open the letters. Oh, the word of the month. Why y'all ain't tell me about the word of the month? Kiana, can you open that chest up? And that should be the rocks that's in the Ziploc bag. There's so much I have to tell y'all. I be forgetting. I was supposed to do a double upload today, but Kiana changed her mind on when we were posting, so.
You want to redo that sentence?
Kiana, don't show out on the TV. But yeah, so why y'all ain't tell me about the word of the month? See how y'all slipping? No, I'm just playing. Y'all told me several times. It's a Ziploc bag full of letters. Looking at somebody said I look dark. I'm dark. I'm chocolate. I'm a chocolate girl. That'll rock your world. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I'm dark skinned, I think. Anyway, so that's what I had to tell y'all. That's my girl birthday. Do the little trivia. Tell her happy birthday. That's my friend. That's my best friend. I'm so blessed, y'all, to have a friend that we've kept our friendship this long. Through all the stuff that's been going on. I don't know. It's rare. You ain't got to worry about all that other backstabbing stuff. Like, ooh, hallelujah. Whatever. One more thing I was supposed to tell y'all. I've forgotten that, child. Russia. Oh, if anybody asks, Buffalo Wild Wings. For the salt and vinegar. That's where this comes from. Sorry if I'm smacking. I apologize. Double upload tomorrow. I said that. As soon as I turn this camera off, I'm gonna remember. It's gonna make me so mad. Somebody in here, it's your birthday. If you don't know the answer, just guess. And I'll give you a hint. We've been friends longer than me and Kid have been married. And me and Kid have been married 23 years. Yeah. So our friendship is longer than that. I'm giving good clues. Oh, and if you're on Instagram, I posted her on my story. What you laughing about? TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh, cucumber and lobster was good. We ate everything, y'all. So a little bit. I knew something was wrong with him when I pulled him out, but I was gonna try it anyway. Half of it was good, but this mushy part in the front, I started eating, but we ain't taking no chances. But it was just a little piece anyway. All right, let's pick the rock, y'all. It's gonna be a giveaway about the end of the year. So remember all of the months. Remember each month, January through, what we got, June so far. So I hope y'all remember January through June, and now y'all remember July.
What will you give away?
I don't know, I'll come up with some kind of giveaway.
Is it money?
Yeah, it can either be money or it could be, you know, like Cash App, gift card, or a gift.
Oh goodness, and you couldn't remember, and then you tried to go back in every video.
Happiness. That's it. That's it. Happiness. We need a little bit of that in this world we live in today. So y'all know how I do. I'll find a quote that has happiness in it, and I will leave it at the end of the video. There's something to be said about that. Despite everything that's going on, you have to hang on to a little bit of joy and happiness. So yeah, that's true. So this is a good word of the month for July. Happiness. Okay, last month was right on the tip of my tongue. Last month was hope. Thought I forgot. So yeah, so y'all please remember, if you have to write them down or something like that, just remember them, because December's coming really quick. That's a little hint. I won't say it no more in any other video. I won't edit it out. All right, that's it, friends, family. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.